Hey, Tony. So, the first chemical you use is for the tires, the wheels, the rims?
Yeah, it's for the wheels, wheel and tire. It's a non-acid wheel cleaner.
Okay. Well, from who? From yours?
Nah, we don't have one. This one is, there's two of them that I use. The one I'm using right now is Ultra Clean.
And what type of water do you use?
It's just spot-free water or reverse osmosis water. They have, or deionized water. There's like different names to it, but they're pretty much all do the same thing. And it's just so it doesn't leave water spots on the vehicles. You can get this at detail shops. Here in California, I go to either 3D Fontana, CS Bright in San Marino, or that's like the main two. I also go to Glendora, Streamline. They have spot-free water there as well. And there's a couple shops in LA as well.
Now, did it take you a while to figure out what soap works for you? How did you figure that out?
Well, right now I'm using a bunch of different types of soap. I'm just trying to get rid of all the soap that I got from over the years so we can stick just to ours. But we have good quality soaps. Like right now we're using Ultra Clean soap. I like it. It's not bad, pretty good. And then there's also Shine Supply soap, great soap as well. But after we're done with all the soaps that we have, I'm gonna stick just to my own soap or ceramic soap for almost all the vehicles. And then we also have our prep soap, which is for like level 1s to prepare the paint for decontamination.
All right, man. And what's something you look for in soap?
Smell, and then suds, how long they last on the surface, and to not dry out the protection, to not dry out the plastics, to not stain the paint, not stain the windows, and that's about it. A bunch of the 5 p.m. people are leaving.
Oh, yeah?
Like office people?
Yeah.
That's everyone that's leaving right now because 5 p.m. already.
That's it, bro. They gotta go home. They're clocked out. The day job is done.
Yeah.
Gee. Chumps, Tony, chumps.
I still gotta go get water, gas.
All that?
Yeah.
Dang.
Then I gotta go home, wash towels, fill up products.
And then answer those messages?
Yeah, which I'm probably not gonna get to. I gotta answer yesterday's messages too.
Dang, hey, it's rough, man, being your own boss.
The only bad part about this, like washing this today, is that I don't think the owner's gonna be back until Monday. So by the time he gets back, it's gonna be all dirty again.
Yeah.
And the way the wind is here, it's always windy here. So that's the only bad part.
I see it, man.
But I mean, he gets it done every week, so.
All right. Oh, it is a weekly client.
Yeah, and also he off-roads it pretty often, so it gets dirty pretty often. Like literally, I'll detail it on Friday, he'll take it out to the mud the next day.
Yeah.
Or the same day sometimes.
Dang.
Yeah.
How does that make you feel, Tony? Does it hurt you?
It
You're
is
like, all my hard work?
It is what it is.
Hey, he's paying for it, right?
Yeah. Just like.
Hey, Tony, talking about soap you like. Has there ever been you don't gotta mention no names, you know? But have you ever bought or tried a new product and then first try you're like, this is trash?
All the time.
Yeah?
Yeah. All the time.
Do you still use it though to get your money's worth, or you're like, nah, I can't? Or do you return it?
You can't return it. They don't allow detail stores. Their sales are final. You can't return it. So that's the bad part. But I'll either try to resell it, or I've honestly some products that I thought was like super bad, like even a resell, like I would feel bad reselling it that bad, that I would just either throw it away or give it to someone else. Like if they wanted it, I'm like, hey, you want free product here? But before I throw it away, I like to do like a little review on it or something, or a comparison type of video.
Oh, okay, I got you.
Have you guys ever tried a product that you guys didn't like or thought was horrible? Let me know in the comments down below what product that was, so that way we don't buy them. We don't want that.
Hey, Tony. Hey, so I noticed that a lot of your chemicals, you bottle them yourself with your logo?
Yeah.
Why?
Just because it looks nice, in case ever photography pictures.
All right. Do you have a favorite type of bottle? or they're all the same?
They're all pretty similar, but actually I lied, because these three are different already off the bat.
What makes them different?
So this has like measurements, this one doesn't. This one has measurements as well, but it also has like the ratios of like, this one has ratios too, but they're just different bottles. This one has numbers, this one has numbers as well, but they're harder to see. But let's see. This one's pretty good about like, actually I lied, it leaks. I think they all kind of leak if I squeeze them, and nah, this one leaks a lot less. I kind of like these the best, but they're the most expensive ones. I think it's like $5 for just like the plastic, and then the nozzle's like $3. So that's like an $8 bottle right there.
What? Wait,
yeah.
I don't know much about bottles. Is that average or super high?
It's a little bit on the high end, because you can also get cheaper bottles for like $1, $2 with the sprayer and stuff, but they don't last as long. So that's the issue. So yeah, the gold nozzles last longer than the gray ones. It's more for like a heavy duty use. And then the bottle difference is just they kind of are a bit more heavy duty as well, and then they have measurements. So like these are kind of like cheaper bottles. They don't have any measurements. You will use these type of bottles for a product that doesn't need any dilution, or that's already pre-diluted. So this is our spray wax in here. We don't gotta put any water, so I just decided to throw all the spray wax in there. But these other ones, this is for our bug remover, so we gotta dilute this one. And then we have the water-based tire dressing and window cleaner. There's a Shine Spike glass cleaner bottle, but it's just actually we have G-Technic window cleaner in here.
All right, Tony, what's the next chemical you're using?
So there's a water-based tire dressing. This one's from Uber Detail, and yeah, it's for tires.
All right, you've always used it, or is it a new item?
It's kind of a new item. It's one of those that I bought a while ago, and I kind of just let it sit in the closet, and now I gotta use up all the products that I have in inventory because I'm trying to use mine only. So I don't want to just let it sit in there, because detailer products do have like an expiration date. So if you don't, most of them, if you don't use them after like in 2 years, they're pretty much waste. You gotta throw them away, and it's really hard to sell like detailing products that are either used or even new. Like I've tried throwing them on like OfferUp or Facebook Marketplace, and they won't sell. Like people just don't want to buy them. They just go to the actual location and buy it from them. So just I'd rather just use it up than sell it. It works pretty good. Not too bad. Price is all right.
Hey, and for the inside, I know you do a vacuum and a wipe down. Do you use anything for the wipe down?
So it depends. Maintenance, not really. Maintenance is just the spot-free water. If it's dirty, then I'll have the interior cleaner that I can use on the inside, but it's not like a heavy interior cleaner, just like a light, nothing like aggressive.
Hey Tony, for the people that don't know, how long you been in the detailing game again?
4 months, or 4 years and about 4 months.
4 years, 4 months. Now let's say there's a new detailer out there, and they just don't know what chemicals to get, to buy them from. You know, some detailers might say there's a lot of hype out there. What advice you got for them?
Try to do your best research. If you find a product that you're thinking about getting, try to go on YouTube or Google and like search it up and see what others are thinking. Look at the reviews thoroughly, and then try to see like if there's review videos, see like a demonstration of that product while they're like using it, and see like the results that they're showing, and see if those are the type of results you're trying to get. And then I'd recommend like trying it out.
All right, so does one detail company or one detail chemical work for everybody, or everybody has to find their own preference?
I feel everyone has to find their own preference, because something that I may love and want to use for everything, someone else might not like it the same as I do, and it's vice versa. They might like something a lot and I might not like it. So
they really got to do the research and figure it out.
Yeah, and just see like what results you're trying to get.
What about the customer's expectations? Does that play a factor? Like maybe some customers like shiny, you know, tire shine.
Yeah, that plays a role into it. So that's why you got to ask your clients what they like and what they don't like, and then also have it helps having a variety of things. So that way, if they do like something, you have it on the spot, and if not, we'll try to get it next time.
Hey Tony, what are you using right there? Some Windex?
Nah, this is G-Technic's panel prep. with like a little bit of G-Technics panel prep with spot-free water.
Oh, so you mixing in your own stuff over there?
Well, at first it was full like panel prep because I had a job to do. It was for ceramic coating the trim on my van. So I poured it in that bottle because I didn't have an extra bottle left, and I didn't want to throw out the G-Technic solution. So what I decided to do was throw some water in there, and it works pretty good as a glass cleaner. All right, guys. Well, those are the chemicals we use for our maintenance details. Let me know in the comments down below what products you guys use. And remember, if you guys like this type of content, please make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.